So this video will show how to make a histogram using the nspire. Here's our president's data. Notice mine I labeled PREZ. To create a histogram, right, you can go into the graphing menu and click at the bottom down here to add a variable. The only one I have in there is president. You probably have many more, so go ahead and select yours. And notice, actually, yours will make a nice little dot plot right away. We obviously want to change this, so go over to Menu. At the top is Plot Type, and number 3 is Histogram. So it will change that dot plot right into a histogram. We can slide our cursor over, and it will tell you what bin widths are here. So notice here there is a bracket 41, which means it includes 41, and then 43 with a parenthesis, so it's up to 43, and it's written that way for each one. If you want to change your bin width, Menu, Plot Properties, nope, go to Menu, and I think it is Plot Properties. Oh, Histogram Properties, which is right there. Number 2 is Bin Settings. You always want your bins to have equal bin width. Click on that. Now it will actually ask for what bin you want. So let's go to the first president's data, which had a bin width of 10. And we want to start it at 40. And press OK. Whoa. We might want to change our window. So we can go back to Menu, go over to Window Settings, and we need our Y maximum to probably be at least 25, I think. Not 35, 25. And press Enter. And here's our president's data. Notice here, if I move the cursor, this bin is how many presidents. There's 9 of them that are equal to 40 years of age or less than 50. In the middle bin, equal to 50 but less than 60, and so forth. And it kind of cut Trump over here at 70 off slightly. All right, if we wanted to look at the 5, we could do the same thing. Go back to Menu, go to Plot Properties, Histogram Properties, Bin Settings, Equal Bin Widths, and now instead of 10, because that's probably too few, we can change it to 5. And now there is a much more visual display. I can definitely look at the shape of the data here, right? Very symmetric with maybe a slight skew to it. And we can look at the values, how many presidents are in each of these bin widths. Now the video also talked about not necessarily a frequency histogram, right? Because here's how many are in each bin, but we could do a relative frequency histogram, which is by percentages. And that you can find in Menu, Plot Type, nope. Plot Properties, I thought it was under Plot Type. Histogram Properties. Here, notice frequency % we can choose. And all it does is it keeps the same graph there, but now my scale on the side is in percentages. So, and if I go to each bin, I can see that there was 28.89 presidents between 50 and equal to 50 and less than 55 years old. And that's how you do a histogram using the nspire.